Okay, let's go to the next lab. So we had this program which count which counts the sum from 1 to n. Okay, so we had this. Now we will run the same program using a RISC-V simulator. Or first we are going to compile it with the RISC-V compiler, RISC-V GCC compiler, and the options. Right now I'll just use some options. We are currently using O1 and we will be changing these options, and you are going to research about what happens when we change these options. Okay, so RISC-V unknown elf GCC minus MABI LP64. So L is a long integer, P is pointer, hyphen M architecture will be RV64I, and output will save over here. It's hyphen O, and the C program. Let's run this. Okay, so it will generate a file like this. So you have this file. Go to another tab and we will see what is the assembly code for the C program which we are trying to run. So the command is object dump -d. D stands for disassemble, and .o. It will give you a bunch of assembly language code. Let's go and type pipe less. The section of this is a very huge section of the code, and the section which we are interested in, the main section. So let's search for main. It comes over here. No, we should find somewhere main over here. So let's press N, and it will show the main section over here. The address of the main section is 10184, and it's a byte addressing which will be clarified in the upcoming videos. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 instructions that came out when we use the options -O1 and the other options. Okay, and the quick way to find out the number of instructions are, we have to subtract from the next instruction after this one starts over here. So we'll subtract this minus this, and since it's byte instruction, so it always increments by 4. So after 184 you will see 188. 188 plus 4 is 180. C plus 4 is 190, 194, 198. So every time the address will get incremented by 4. So open a calculator. This is the last instruction, and after which the next address is 101C0. Let's confirm this. So this is 101B. Oh no, we have to go to the programmer calculator. 101BC plus 4 will give you 101C0. So your next instruction starts at 101C0. But to count the number of instructions, let's take this minus the start of the instruction is 101. So basically the next versus the start, this block, and 10184, this divided by 4, because it's always incrementing by 4, and you have 15 instructions. So F is the hexadecimal, and the decimal value for F is 15. So we have 15 instructions. Okay, quit this. Let's run the same command but with a slight change. Instead of O1 we will use O fast, and now go up and run the same command, search for main again. So it's over here. It starts from 100B0 ends at DC, but the next block starts from 100E0. Let's do the same strategy. So we'll go to hexadecimal programmer calculator 100E0 minus 100P0 100B0 divided by 4, 12 instructions. So 12, let's double check, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So hopefully you were able to observe what happens with these options. And now stop the video, go back to the MCQs, and we will have some lab based MCQs based on these labs what we have done. Thank you.